myself, I'm Bella. Let's go to Niagara Falls with me and Quinn tour. First, went to their bus with our amazing tour guide, Caleb. He's almost a Wikipedia, so smart. Our first stop was at the Floral Clock, and then we went to the Maple Leaf place to try maple syrup, Canadian. And this kind of lollipop was my favorite. I had 5 of them. So delicious. And now the start of the show, the falls. But first, we had a lunch in a cute spot. And finally, boat time with a super fashionable and pink outfit. The experience was unique, refreshing. I felt in paradise. A lot of water. After, we walked around the city to have a drink and we saw the whirlpool, and that's it. I can't wait to come back. Thank you so much, Queen Tour!